what you'll be needing in this tutorial is you are going to need this thread. I've made mention of this thread in one of my video before. This is a silky thread. It is called silky thread in this Yoruba land here. You can go to a tailoring shop where they sell different type of thread or hand knitting thread. So you are going to get this type of thread here. It is hand knitting thread, and it's called silky. So you are going to get this thread. And another thing that is very important is that while cutting your material, you make sure that you put lining inside. I mean, you lace it with it's either stay, or you use this one is cloth stay anyways. So you can put where you want the embroidery to be. So you have to put stay there, either cloth stay or normal stay. Just make sure that that place is interfaced. So you put interfacing at the side. Then another thing you have to do is that you have to mark out the area where you want the design to cover. So I want this. So you can see I've used a pencil to mark it out. So depending on the size you want. So this my own size here is half quarter, half quarter. That is what I've marked out here. So then you thread your this thread, you put it inside your needle. So make sure you use a big size needle, so for smooth delivery. So use big size needle. So let it be as long as possible, but it shouldn't be too long so that you won't be stressing yourself. If that one finish, you can attach another one, and besides, you can move from here to here and stop. Then you continue from here to here. So that's just it. So you not this place. So I want it like this. So you can now start. You can start from anywhere, either from here or here, depending on your choice. So, but then you have to start from the extreme edge here, at the edge here. So that is where you are going to start. So you go this way. Look at it. You can see, depending on how wide you want this to be. So you can use quarter, you can use half if you want it big. So you can see that. You can see. So you follow the pattern. You see, the same allowance you leave here, the same allowance you have here, is the same allowance you are going to have here. Let it touch this place. You can see. Then you go on and on. So pick that 2 inches again, Abby, that inches again, that inch. So when you get to this point, you can see we are done with this. So it is now left with this curve. So at this point now, I will go inside. Then we can come out again at this point. You can see there. So I will bring it back here again. Then the story continues.